Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to add an image to your Unity project. So if you have it in your assets folder, and here in my case I have some images here and clipboards. I would like to add these in my hierarchy. As you can see, when I try to add it in the hierarchy or in the add scenes window, it doesn't allow me. It says it's disabled. So to fix this, all you have to do is just select your image in the project. In the inspector, go to the texture type, click default, and you will see here you can change it to Sprite 2D, and then you go down, hit apply. Now you will see this icon that will show you that you can add it to your project. So now as I drag it, see, I can add it either here or to my scene, and there it is. So that's one of the problems that most people face. When they add it in here, they are not automatically converted to Sprite. So all you have to do is just convert it to Sprite 2D, and it will work. And hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.